Hello friends, today we are going to know that how we will operate this GENT MCP. This is MCP, manual call point. This is the use of this one is when you see fire, then we can activate fire alarm by manually. The purpose of this MCP is to activate the fire manually. Here in MCP in GENT we have like this. When we will press, it will activate. You see, this is down, it is activate now. Then have alarm, and to reset we have to do, when you make here, we have to this key, we have a one key, we will put key and we will do this like this. See, now it's normal. First we have to open this one, then press, it is activated. Then from here we can normal this one. Here you can see the connection. The connection is here. You can see now the connections. See, in, out, and common. In the red cable we have two. In the FIREALARM cable we have red and black, line and neutral. The red of the in is in the 1, and the red of the out is in the 2, and this both black will be in the common. This is the connection of this MCP.